Login loop error on YNAB. You need a budget fix. If you can't log into your YNAB app because it keeps looping back to the login screen, you're definitely not alone. The surprising truth is, this problem usually isn't your fault. It's caused by outdated session data or connectivity issues between the app and YNAB servers. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the YNAB app completely. Then, open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find YNAB, and tap Storage. From there, choose Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes any temporary files that may be blocking your login session. Next, reopen YNAB and log in using your email and password manually. Avoid using autofill or a password manager for now. This ensures the app creates a new clean login session. If it still loops, make sure your device's date and time settings are set to automatic. YNAB's login process uses time-based authentication, and even being a few minutes off can break the connection. Now, check your internet connection. If you're using a VPN or ad blocker, disable it temporarily. YNAB servers sometimes reject logins that appear to come from hidden or foreign IP addresses. Still not working? Uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh permissions and make sure you're using the latest version with the newest bug fixes. Once you're back in, consider enabling biometric login or two-factor authentication for a smoother experience next time. So, if YNAB keeps looping you out of your account, don't stress. The fix is simple. Clear the cache, check your time settings, disable any VPNs, and reinstall if needed. With these quick steps, you'll be back budgeting confidently in just a few minutes.